Hello guys, welcome back. This is KG. For today's video is I've got a package again from SY Glow Cosmetics and let's do unpacking for the products that they sent me. As you all know guys, I keep on vlogging this one kasi it's one of my favorite products online for skin whitening. So ito yung favorite ice cream lotion ko sa kanila guys. Ito, super iyang ako sa mga products nila kasi hindi ako nagkaka-skin allergies. Ito yung bagong pinadala nila guys, yung Flawless Scar Remover Lotion. Kasi nakakatanggal ng scars, nakakaputi din siya. Ito naman bleaching whipped cream nila guys na super nakakaputi at super love ko. And the last is yung favorite soap ko sa kanila guys, yung bleaching 10 times whitening soap nila. 200 pesos lang guys, apat na yung makukuha mo. And this is one of my favorite guys kasi super nakakaputi at hindi siya harsh sa skin, hindi siya mahapde. At nakakaputi siya within 7 days. Legit yan. So if you wanna order all of this product guys, nasa link below and check out na kayo. Bye bye! Love you!